Okay, so let me show you something first before I explain anything. I am in Telegram. I type what's on my calendar today and it comes back in plain English with all my meetings. And this morning, before I even picked up my phone, it had already messaged me. Today's schedule, open task, a full brief, just waiting there. That's one Telegram bot built in n8n, free, no code. I am Aksa. I run MLTude, where I break down AI and data science concepts so they actually make sense. So let's get into it. First thing we need is an actual Telegram bot. Go to Telegram, search for BotFather. It's the official one, blue check mark. Type slash new bot. It will ask for a name, then a username. The username has to end in bot. Once you do that, it gives you a token. Copy that. We are going to need it in a second. Back in n8n, create a new workflow, add a node, and search for Telegram trigger. This is the node that listens for messages. Paste your token into the credentials, set it to fire on message events, and that's the connection done. Now do a quick sanity check. Activate the workflow, go message your bot in Telegram, then come back and look at the execution log in n8n. You should see your message sitting there as JSON. If you see that, perfect, we are good. If not, double check that you pasted the right token. A basic Telegram bot just takes your message, sends it to an AI, and returns whatever the AI says. That works. But here is the problem. Every single message is treated like the very first message. The bot has zero memory. So you type, remind me about that thing. It has no idea what thing. You type, add that to my list. What list? It doesn't know. I built one of these early on and used it for 2 days before giving up because it kept forgetting everything. It was so frustrating. The fix is literally one setting and I will show you exactly where it is. Add an AI agent node right after the Telegram trigger. This is the brain. Connect them up. Now inside the AI agent, pick your model. I am using Google Gemini, but Claude or OpenAI work just as well. Pick whichever you like. Now for memory, add a simple memory node. For key use chat ID, go back to AI agent settings and add message we got from Telegram as prompt. What this does is hold the last several messages in context. So the bot actually remembers what you were just talking about. Now when you say add that to my list, it knows what that is because it remembers the conversation. So now the bot has a brain and memory. Let's give it some actual tools so it can do things. Google Calendar. Connect your Google account. Read access only. Set the operation to get many. Then under calendar, pick the email account you want to read the calendar from. Now the agent can look at your actual calendar and tell you what's on it in plain English. Not a wall of JSON, a normal readable sentence. Now test it. Send your bot, what do I have tomorrow? Watch the execution log. You will see the agent call the calendar tool, get the results back. To get this on Telegram, add a Telegram send message node after the agent. Keep the chat ID the same as before. And in the message field, pass the response from the AI agent. That's it. It's just working. Create a second workflow. New canvas. Start with a schedule trigger. Set it to 7 a.m. every day. From there, pull today's events from Google Calendar. You can select your Google Calendar from this drop down the same as the previous flow. Pull Open Task from the data table. Feed both of those into an AI node with a prompt, something like summarize today's schedule and top task into a friendly morning brief. Max 5 bullet points, keep it concise. Then add a Telegram note at the end to send it straight to your chat. You can use a different chat ID, but I am just using the previous one. And for the text, I am passing the model's response. Once it's published, you will receive your daily task list every day at 7 a.m. Quick honest note before you go off and automate everything. Don't automate things that are faster to do manually. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Just use your phone. What's 20% of 60? Grab a calculator. The bot has overhead. It has to process your message, call a tool, wait for a response. For quick mental tasks, that overhead is not worth it. Also, when you connect Google Calendar, make sure the OAuth scope is calendar read only, not your full Google account. Only give it access to what it actually needs. So here is what we built. Telegram trigger, AI agent with memory, task data table, and a morning brief workflow running on a schedule every day at 7 a.m. If this helped, hit like. It generally helps other people find this.